What's up, everybody? PB from Anvil here. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to take a look at something pretty cool. It is C-Hub import and export functions from Partner. So C-Hub is a tool that we've built to collateralize reward points. So think airline miles, credit card points, etc. You have 1 point, you'd like to turn it into a different point. That's where C-Hub comes in, all built on Cardano. And the import and export functions, what we'll be looking at today, are pretty darn cool. So we're tapping an external API, grabbing point values, grabbing user information, and then writing that to chain. So let's take a look. Cardano Air, finest airline in all of the land. As you can see, we've got 50,000 points. It's at least one domestic flight, possibly round trip, but with today's prices, who knows? 50,000 external points, we're going to pull some into C-Hub. So we're going to import those points from the Partners API. Here at the interface, we've got a nice little slider. You can drag, drop, type in whatever is most convenient. We're going to pull in 1,000 points in this instance. So as you can see here, we've got the C-Hub external and internal values here, the before and after. Those are your balances. So your before balance, your after balance, C-Hub and external. So we have 50,000 points. We are moving 1,000 to C-Hub. 49,000 points remain on your account with 1,000 coming in. Awesome. So this is where all the magic of C-Hub is. This screen right here. Going through this quickly, we've got all the API calls, basically what's going on, how this is working, where we're fetching profile information, retrieving balances from partner APIs. So it's populating the information that you see on the app on the right. Then we actually have a partner call to get balance. So that's calling an external partner, not an internal partner. Retrieving smart contract blueprint from Anvil. So this is where it's going to apply reward parameters, fetch profile UTXOs, and it's going to build the transaction. It's going to submit the request to the partner API, where it will then create that new. So it's going to give it the auth basically to pull in those points. It's going to submit that transaction, as you could see, with it sending the status to the partner API to get an update back and forth there. And the ultimate output is the transaction hash, which we can see. And let's take a look at what these transactions look like. And you can see this is on chain. Minimal chain fees against it. And let's take a look at the transaction itself. You can see there's 1,000 Cardano Air points, which that's the expected payload. Here's a transaction. We can see the wallet balance of our way up stars, our flower bank seeds, and you can see the Cardano airline miles coming in to our wallet. So that is the import side of things, getting those on chain. So next we'll take a quick look at the export side of things, the other half. So let's check out an export function as well. You just saw that we brought in 1,000 points from our preferred airline, Cardano Air, to the Cardano blockchain. But what if we need to get those points back off the Cardano blockchain? It's easy. Take 500, click export. This will show you again. We're going to go through the transaction. I'm going to speed this up and let the transaction run out. But same kind of thing where it's going to make the calls to the relevant APIs, update the balances, and then we'll see the transaction here on chain. And there you have it. An import and an export function on C-Hub. Really excited to be showing this today. It's a cool milestone to hit. Looking forward to feedback. Excited for everyone to take a look at this. So thank you for watching. Appreciate the time. Cheers.